call this a ship, you miserable runt?
Yeah, you little runt! Get to work!
Faster! Worthless, worthy sons of sorry excuses for short bait weevils!
What did he say?
Now get this chunk of ice seaworthy by sundown, or I will keelhaul the lot of you!
So, what do you think?
2 words. Anger management. Ow!
I'm talking about the current. Diego's right. We found the way home.
Yeah, that's great. Too bad we don't have a ship.
Sure we do. It's right there.
Well, that's a flawless plan. You want to pirate a pirate ship from pirates.
It pains me to say this, but our prisoner has a point.
Yeah, well...
Guys, shh. The trees have ears.
Wait a minute. Maybe we can help each other.
Oh, Gidget.
Hey, little fellas. Hey, come on out. No, it's okay. We're not gonna hurt you. How about you and us against the pirates, huh? You got no idea what I'm saying, do you? Okay, ship, me one.
Yeah, nice try, Jungle Jim.
Go ahead, make fun. Okay, you got it. Oh,
Thanks.
May I try?
yeah, knock yourself out.
Okay, watch this. Me. 6 slots, zip frost. 6 slots, zip frost. Wooga. Puda. Wiggy. Oh! Ta-da!
That they got.
Yep, they're in!
Great, we'll free you buddies and we can all work together to kick a little pirate booty.